Vuse Alto Retail Loyalty Program. How to set it up using CSI Works tobacco scan data program, and software is called Cloud CRM Customer++. This is possible on any Clover device. Let's get started.
All right, here we go. We're setting up Vuse loyalty program for these little guys here. And we're going to start by going to workflow management and then selecting Reynolds. Whatever programs already have set up will show up here. And here we can choose the programs we need. For Vuse, there are 3 ones, and they may appear as they are duplicates, but they have different loyalty codes. 30123, 31123, 322, All right, so you pick whichever one you need, and you need to consult with your friendly Reynolds agent. So let's say it's this one. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. This needs to be changed to 1, right? So one of these gets the discount. We can say whether we want to trigger this once or keep triggering without limit, or maybe even put a limit of 2, right? Let's say. And then we want to assign items, and you want to select all of your views. I'm going to select this one. You select more than one because there's a ton of different ones of these. And so here we go. We have everything set up and assigned. And now we can go to register app and scan the views. It'll ask us to age verify. We can age verify and add loyalty and continue. And there's our discount. We can only get this discount twice. And so if we go 3, it's right there. It's separated out into its own item. And so, it doesn't add a discount anymore because we put a limit on 2. All right, here we go. Thanks. Oh, and then we would just pay like this, and it would get reported. Thank you.